kids, so please subscribe to my channel.
These balls are red and blue. Oh, red and green and blue.
Hi,
and
please subscribe to my channel.
And then this is orange. It's tall. It's taller than this one. And it's taller than this one. Tall. Ow. And this is red. It's red like this. That's the same color like red. And like the ball. And we have yellow. It's yellow. Ah, you got that. You got writing. And then we have blue. Ah, you got that! Got a hole in it. And it's so cool. It's blue. Like the big ball. The big ball is big. Now this is green. This got no writing. And then we have this. Oh, this is cool. Oh, look at that! Oh, it got some balls in there. Now I'm gonna step start. I'm gonna do two of these ones. And the big ball. Yay! Ah! And now we try this one. And this one. And this one. And then we're gonna do that one. And then we're gonna do this one. I'm gonna do all of it. Ah! I like this too. I needed more of them. Let's try more of these. Ah, you fall down. Try the big ball. I did all of it. Oh, get the small black ball. We have two balls, two blue balls, dark blue, and light blue. Black. Let's try it.